In this build, a humble sedan gets a mid-engine cradle and a carbon chassis spine to shave weight and sharpen handling. A 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 is mated to a dry sump, custom intercooler, and a sequential EFI that reads RPM spikes. Suspension switches to adjustable coilovers with 20-step dampers, while selected alloy wheels shed unsprung mass for grip. Aerodynamics explode with a front splitter, canards, a ducktail spoiler, and a flat under tray that creates true downforce at speed. We tune the ECU with data logging, brake bias, and launch control, turning ambition into a track-ready rocket.